Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a busy mom, working mom, clean with me. I know a lot of you girls out there are working moms as well, and you know the struggle of trying to keep your house in order. This isn't a nighttime routine. I'm just going to focus on letting you guys see what I decided to clean on this day using my short amount of time after I get off work. So let's get started. So my son doesn't get off the bus till 4:30, which means our whole day is already gone. But when we get home, I try to just go through his backpack right away, sign what I need to sign, and get everything back in his backpack that needs to go back to school. After that, I jump to the kitchen and clear everything out from breakfast that morning. Just kind of clear the countertops and get ready for dinner. I made a stop at the grocery store to pick up a few things to add into Braden's lunchbox this month for Halloween. Some vampire fangs, some googly eyes, some glow-in-the-dark spiders, and Halloween gummies. Here's a look inside of Braden's lunchbox. I threw in some pretzel sticks, a Peeps marshmallow, which he did not end up liking, blackberries, and then he has tomatoes down there where the googly eyes are, and I just threw in those glow-in-the-dark spiders just to make it fun. If y'all are interested in this box, I will definitely go ahead and link it down below for you guys. So all students are supposed to bring a midday snack to school with them each day. So at Target, I found these little Halloween baggies and I threw in some French toast bread. Alright, so now I'm just setting everything out that I'm going to need for dinner tonight. We are going to be making stuffed peppers. So today I'm going to focus on the floors. I want to try to clean at least the majority of the downstairs hardwood floors and clean the dining room and sanitize those tables because I did not do that yesterday. So before I do all of that, I need to clean the kitchen and put dishes away so that I can get dinner started. So I picked up some old school Dawn dish soap not too long ago and I almost forgot how much I loved it. It's antibacterial, makes a lot of bubbles, and it smells good, and it reminds me of my mom and my husband's mom. I've been using Mrs. Meyer's for a while, and sometimes you forget to try the oldie but goodies, so that's what I did. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting by some rum. I love this Acorn Spice hand soap by Mrs. Meyer's. I picked it up from Target. It smells so good. I might have to go back and pick up a few more, but my favorite scent this fall is the Mum scent, which you guys will see me use in a little while. Pretty from the minute that I met you. To get your attention. Since the kitchen is clean, I'm gonna start on dinner. I told you guys before that we're gonna be making stuffed peppers tonight, and I'm gonna use this veggie wash to wash my peppers. I use this on all of our fruits and vegetables, and I usually just pick it up in the grocery store. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. So at this time, my husband will get home and he helps out a lot, which I am so thankful for. He'll entertain and play with the kids while I'm finishing up. The peppers have already gone into the oven, so I'm just going to wash the dishes that I use to cook them with. Alright, now that dinner is ready, we're going to eat And oh my gosh, you guys, it was so good and it was really simple to make. If you guys want a recipe, let me know. I can throw this into a video so you guys can see step by step.
I know that we just met the other night, but I can't get you off my mind. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you.
So here's the mum scent that I told you guys about earlier. I'm going to be using this multi-surface spray to wipe down the countertops. I am definitely going back to get more of these. I really want to stock up because I don't want to run out. Best scent I've ever smelled in a cleaning product ever, and I literally want to just spray it around my whole house, but I can't. It smells that good, so I'm definitely going back for more. I try to throw in a load each night. That doesn't always work, but I try to, especially if they're starting to build up. I love using these scent boosters, and I'm washing darks tonight, so I'm going to be using the Woolite Dark Detergent. So now the last thing I really want to get done is at least steam the front part of our house where the hardwood floors are. I probably won't make it to the kitchen tonight because I don't like to spend too much time cleaning. I like to spend time with my family. So I'm going to focus on at least the dining room and the living area up there and the front door area. So first I'm going to vacuum and get all those crumbs and stuff up. So I'm going to detach my vacuum and get into the crevices where crumbs love to gather, and this takes only just a few seconds. It's super easy, so that's what I'm doing now.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time.
So I'm using my Shark Steam Mop today, and I always set it to scrub because in my mind I feel like it's stronger than the other two settings. It lets off more steam, so that's what I always set it to. I've had this thing for so many years. It's never let me down. We've used it on tile floors, laminate floors, as well as hardwood floors, and it seems to work really well on all three. So if you guys are thinking about getting one, girl, get you one.
So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. Like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breathe.
So I picked up this pumpkin cinnamon scented broom from the grocery store the other day, and it smells really good. It's a really old school thing, and I think it's like a southern thing, but I'm not sure. It smells up my entire downstairs. It usually comes out in the fall time, which is perfect because it's like decor as well. So let me know if you guys have ever seen this or purchased one of these. So I decided to quickly wipe this table down that I haven't cleaned in weeks using my favorite Mum multi-surface spray. And I want to show you guys these two little dead spooky trees. You guys know I don't want to overdo it with fall and Halloween stuff. I just don't have time for that. So I like to add touches here and there, especially with having kids. Kind of want to make things a little bit more fun, and I feel like I might do a little bit more next year. But I got those two trees from Target, and the little eek sign is from Target. And if you guys are wondering, the pumpkin is from Home Goods. This video was definitely not our night routine. It was nowhere near what we do each night as a family. You guys didn't see a lot of things that went on in between me filming. I really just wanted to focus on, you know, getting things done around the house and cleaning what I can in a short amount of time. So that's what I did in this video, but I definitely plan to do like a family nighttime routine for you guys. If you guys enjoyed it, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.